Mastering copywriting essential tips for beginners. First step is understanding copywriting basics. In basics, you should know details about your target market, benefits of your business, features of your business, the problem which you solve. Second tip is creating headlines. To create good headlines, you should use 4U formula. 4U stands for urgent, ultra specific, useful, and unique. By using 4U's, you will create good headlines. Third tip is writing persuasive copy. To write persuasive copy, you can use two structures. First structure is AIDA. AIDA stands for attention, interest, desire, and action. You have to capture attention of your users. You should generate interest about your business. You should tell desire to own your product or service to the customer and ask for action in the end. Second structure is PAS, problem, agitation, and solution. You should show the problem user faces. Then you should go deep in your problem, which is called agitation, and next is action. You should ask the audience to purchase your product or service. Next tip is SEO copywriting. You should use data in your content so user can get more information about the product or service. You should add keywords in your content and also write persuasive content. Next tip is measuring success. You should measure KPIs like click-through rate, conversion rate, and engagement metrics. By using this data, you can structure your next campaign. Next step is continuous improvement. You should continuously learn more about copywriting so you can include that in your copywriting. Mention all the facts in your content and example so people can get more resonated. By using these tips, you will get more customers and leads in your business. Let's discuss strategies from top books. First book is Influence, The Psychology of Persuasion by Robert Cialdini. In his book Influence, The Psychology of Persuasion, Robert Cialdini discusses various principles of persuasion, one of which is social proof. Here is an example of how social proof is used effectively in copywriting. Join over 1 million satisfied customers who have already experienced the benefits of our product. This statement leverages social proof by emphasizing a large number of satisfied customers, which can persuade potential buyers that the product is popular and effective. Next book is Made to Stick, Why Some Ideas Survive and Others Die by Chip Heath and Dan Heath. In Made to Stick, Chip Heath and Dan Heath explore what makes ideas memorable and compelling. They introduce the concept of simplicity in messaging. Here an example illustrating a simplicity in copywriting. Eat fresh. This famous slogan from Subway is a prime example of simplicity. It conveys a clear message about the freshness of their ingredients and is easy for customers to remember and associate with the brand. This example demonstrates how effective copywriting can leverage psychological principles and simplicity to create compelling messages. Thank you for watching this video. Comment on your views. I will meet you in another video.